So basically, the way I feel is that I'm a senior this year. Quite a few of us here are seniors. We're going to be gone after this year. My personal opinion is the reason why I came out here is for the ones that are in middle school, ones that are in elementary school. Thank you. So I want them to have the same opportunities that we as seniors had, that all of us have had. So that's why we came out here. But right now, as a group, let's make this, all right? Let's strive to do better in school. You know, I know school is hard. I know we don't like it sometimes. I know we get lazy, but you know what? Let's strive to do more. All right? Let's make that pact that we'll strive to do more. So I say right now, as this whole group, I say that if we want to make a more powerful statement, let's go back to school. Let's go back inside. All right? And let's get an education. All right? Let's do it.
Hi, I'm Paige. I just came up here to say that I think we owe a huge thank you to Ellie. You know, we all wouldn't be standing here if it weren't for her right now.
We have plenty of time.
We all agree that we think that the objective thing that we have to do, writing the objectives down and doing the reflections at the end of the hour.
Yeah, that sucks.
Do I have to?
Yeah.
I guess it does make you look cool,
But I know a lot of people think that the objectives that we have to do in class are pointless. And I brought that up in here, and it kind of does bring up some concern because there's kind of wasted time in class to basically write down things that we already understand. Like, we know what we're going to do in class that day, and at the end, we understand what we learned, and we understand what we're going to do with it if we need it ever in life. So I think all that wasted time is adding up to education that could be used to learn how to do well on the CSAP and ACT, which is the reason why Dr. Rodriguez is doing all of this anyway. And then, money seems to be wasted on programs that seem ineffective and inefficient, like the Compass Learning. A lot of you people don't like it. And $48,000 is spent on it this year. Next year, we would have to pay $200,000 for it. And like a lot of you agree that it doesn't work. You guys take it, and it's pointless. When we had remedial classes taught by Miss Feynman and Miss Bowie and Gary, and he pretty much got rid of most of those classes in order to bring in this Compass Learning, which again is just not as effective as the remedial classes that we had to begin with. And then the NBC Learn also says it doesn't really add much to the lesson. It's basically a way to stop learning. Watch some 30-second video on George Washington crossing the Delaware River. Let's be respectful.
Wow. Look how he just walks away.
See you, Rodriguez!
Gosh, shut up! Come on, guys.
Respect.
That's, no. You said that. You'd like to say something? Go ahead. Yeah, let's one last speech. I don't need the megaphone. I don't need a megaphone. Alright. Nah, I just want to make this actions that we're taking right now are all going to be on the head of Mr. Mason. Anybody who gets in trouble is just going to be hurt. And I think if we're going to show that we're informed, rational adults, like I said we were, I think we should go back to class. I know nobody wants to go back to class. I know that. But I think if we want to make any change, we have to do it in public. And I think a walkout is probably the least productive way of getting something changed. It's fun. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's snowing. I don't like that, but it's pretty magical, can I say? But I think not only Ms. Mason, but I think the people who really want to make change would really appreciate it if we just all went back to class.
Let's go up there, shoot.
Should we all go back up to class?
No! I want them to play a song first, but then...
Well, let's shoot me talk. Let's shoot talk.
Yeah, let's shoot me talk. Let's go, Kyle.